Hello, everybody. Today we will talk about few basic steps or few basic formulas that you need in Excel. Like this is a very beginner level course that I'm just talking about, guys. So without further wasting time, let's talk about these one. I hope you can all see my screen. All right, so how does the functions like sum, average, minimum, maximum, and count work? All right, so it's a basic level calculation. So I'm going to talk about how you can use the formulas to make your work pretty easy. All right, so I have this table which has employee number, employee name, their different department, their location, date of joining, and salary. All right. So I will also teach you about how these little functions are going to help you. So this is one of the company that I was consulting with, and I have worked for them long back. Let's find out. Okay. All right. So if I have to find out how many people are working there, so obviously it's going to be some, right? So how do you count that? Is it sum? No, it's just the count that you want to get, right? So equals to count, just do equals to count, count. So you can just put drop down or up, count. You can just count the values from top to bottom, control shift down and close. So that gets you the total number of people. What is the other option? Select here, control shift down. You can Excel has the fantastic way of showing this average, count, and sum. So the count is 247. 247, is that right? Yes, that's the total employee count. Now, um, as a finance manager, if I have to know what is the total salary that I am paying for my employee. So how do you check? So very simple, equals to sum, select from where to where, salaries here, select that, close, this is done, right? So this is how you get it. The other way to get it is equals to sum, okay? I can just get it there and do control spacebar. Will that work? No, because I have too many things selected. So equals to sum, go from here, that's going to be G8, or like, let's do G to G. Right? Will that help? G to G is nothing but we are selecting the entire salary column. It is a risky one, but if you know that your data set is right, it is possible. The other way, equals to sum, go to that place, from where to where, you can either use the mouse or just do control shift down. It'll take you till down, close the bracket or hit enter. So it will get you that. Is the total number right? It's absolutely right. Fine. Average, as you know, equals to average, from where to where, from this to this, right? That's it. Then what's the minimum salary? Oh, wow. You would definitely want to know what's the minimum salary. So equals to minimum, open the bracket, from where to where? Again, from there to there. That is G8 to G254, right? Close the bracket. That's done. Wow, that's the minimum salary, 30,787. Let's find what's the maximum salary. Equals to max, from where to where? G8 to G254. Close the bracket. Man, this guy earns 85,859. And this is a small manufacturing company, guys. So pretty good payment, huh? So minimum salary is 30,000, maximum salary is 85,000, which is perfect. Do you want to work for this company? Let me know. There are a lot of openings. Day before yesterday, I had one of the HR who called and said that, hey, if you have anybody who has good knowledge of Excel, would you please refer me? We are ready to pay depending on their last salary. Then I asked, do you know I have started teaching the freshers these days? Then he was saying, okay, fresher we can pay as per their caliber. So I don't know what the mean of caliber. I think they are trying to ask that the person need to be good in communication skill, good in computer skill, and good in attitude. These days, attitude matters a lot. So I think these are the basic thing they need to have. Otherwise, anyway, so what did we learn? We learned about some, like it can be total as well, right, guys? Okay, let me give you one quick tip, guys. If you want to select what is the total salary, just do Alt and plus. Okay, see the magic, right? Alt and plus. It's going to select the entire thing, and you get that popped up. Make sense? All right, so these are very, very basic calculations that you can learn about sum, average, minimum, maximum, and count of anything, right? In counts, you have multiple, guys. So let's say if you want to count blank, right? Ooh, date of joins are not available. Let's say I delete it. So I'm going a little advanced. But since you have reached till this space, I thought I will give you that extra. So equals to count blank. So you can go down, scroll down and see count A, count blank or whatever. Select count blank. From where to where? Again, I told you guys, either you select now. The interesting part is Control Shift down is not going to work. It will work till you have space. So the trick here is to select from what F8 to F280, right? You know what's the data. So select. Ooh, what happened to this? F is missing. They're 20 at blank. You know what? They're 20 at blank because I missed it. 289. See here. I'm not going off track, guys. Just see here. So it started from 8. So let's see till where we have this. I'm selecting. I am selecting. Control Shift down. Control Shift down. Control Shift down. Control Shift up. So I have how many in total? 245, right? So in 245, I had only 3 or 4 blanks. So what I did here was my selection was not right. So just do F2, okay, and hover it down and see till where it has selected. You see that? It has selected till where? Oh my God, so many blank it has selected. So what is that? 281. Can I really go to 281? So my job was to go only till what? See here. This is 254. So why don't I go up and change my data to come to is that right? No. Come on, guys, you gotta help me. I'm not just teaching for myself. I'm teaching you. So till here, so it's 254, right? So I'm missing the data, 254, right? It's highlighting. So now it'll say there are only 2 blanks. Wow, that's interesting. 1, 2. Oh, yeah, that was 2, man. So 1, 2. That's it. We had only 2 blanks. So now you guys might ask me, what if I want to fill up with some numbers here? Let's fill it. Control G is the key for you. Okay, go to special, find the blanks, say okay. Ooh, it selected everything that is in blank. So that's a wrong choice. So what I'll do is I'll select the area, only that area, right? Till here, then do a Control G, then go to special, find blank. Okay, say all right. So now it has highlighted blank. Then what? I have to give some numbers, right? Then let's say give 300. Oh no, 300. 3000. Let's give 30,000. Control Enter. Do you think that's gonna work? Oh man, it worked. How did it work? Because it did the magic. So count blank was the fill blank, count blank. Ooh, these are the ones which you got in promotion, baby. So ooh, count blank. Right. So with that, I think we are done for today. Keep watching, keep subscribing, keep referring people, and I will see you in the next.